Welcome everybody. You're watching Kind Mini and I'm your host Nipun, and I'm going to show you how to embed Instagram feeds into your WordPress website. And I'm going to do this by two ways. We're using WordPress editor and Elementor. So let's get on with it. First of all, I want you to do is get to your WordPress dashboard and go to plugins and add new plugins. So here you're going to type in Instagram feeds and you'll see a plugin here called Smash Balloon Social Photo Feed. What I want you to do is install it. It's going to take a second to install, so let's give it a second. And now let's activate it. Again, taking a second. Okay, there we go. So it puts you back on plugins, where you can either go to settings or you can see here Instagram feeds. You can just click on it and it will take to you the same place that settings will. Okay, so now what you do is click on Instagram Connect and Instagram account, and you can choose personal. Let me show how personal looks like. So it will show you this account or whichever you have currently logged in, or you can just go to switch account and you can type in your second account or your other one, whichever you want. I'm going to have to use business one because I'm using our official Cunning Money Instagram account. Why don't you go and follow it? It's linked in the description. You can find it in there. Okay, so it's going to put you on Facebook, so you can actually confirm it's a business account. So for me, it's just going straight from, I'm me, and it's just showing that this is the account I previously activated as. But it will ask you which one you want and which page is connected to your account. So let's connect accounts. And there we go. So it's showing you here. Let's save changes. Okay, so here it's going to show you every 1 hour. So what this means is it's going to load the feeds every hour. If there's any new one, it's going to put them on top, or whichever the way you are going to put your feeds on. You can put it on minutes, you can put it on days, however you like. Okay, you can change how many hours or minutes or days you want here. And okay, so let's go to customize. Alright, so here it's gonna ask you what layout you need. So if you've already bought the pro version of this, then you're gonna have this unlocked display. It's gonna give you different sizes. It's gonna give you a different variety of ways you can put your feeds in. But I'm using grid because I don't have a pro version yet. And it's gonna ask you numbers of columns. You can choose whichever you want. I'm good with 4, so I'm using 4. I'm gonna save changes here. Okay, so now what you want to do is go to display your feed and copy the shortcode. There we go, that's copied. And okay, so I'm going to add a new page, but you can use this on an existing page or a running website if you want. I'm going to add a new one. Okay, so my title is new feed, new Instagram feed. Let's put this new capital. There we go. And what I want you to do is add a block. Here you're gonna add shortcode. There we go. And paste paste that code that you copied. There we go, Instagram feeds. Now what you want to do is publish and go to private or public, whichever you want. I'm going to private because I prefer this way. Okay, let's see. So there we go, there's the post that I have on my account. You'll find more while you're doing this. You can always go and follow on Instagram, you know, right? Just it's in the description. You can go and follow it. And there you go. There's a lot of reels I put in. I usually put in reels because why not? They're sick. They're new and sick. Okay, sorry about the pop-up. Okay. And yeah, whenever you click on them, it takes you to original page where you can watch them and stuff like that. Okay, so that's how you do it in WordPress editor. Now let's go back to our dashboard. Alright, so for this, I want you to have Elementor plugin installed because that's how we're going to use this. It's the Elementor plugin. As I already told you, I'm using new pages, but if you want it in your any page, like if it's a working website, you want it in your home page, you can put it in there. It's easy. Okay, so I'm not going to type anything. I'm just going to go with edit with Elementor. It's going to give me a number. Doesn't really matter. It's not going to show that much here. It's just an equal number up here. Okay, so let's add a structure, a block, whichever you prefer to say. Okay, so similarly, we're going to put in shortcode. We're going to drag it in here. And we're going to paste the code here. Apply, publish, and let's preview. And boom, there we go. As it was same in the WordPress editor, you got a button for follow on Instagram, you got your post, and yeah, that is it for this video. And if you like this video, please comment, subscribe, share, and like. And if you want to follow us on Instagram, there's a link. We have a Facebook page as well named Cunning Money. You can go there, you can follow us, you can like our page, and see you guys later.